I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. You need the right save state or new game plus and access to the Velvet Room. Once done, gather required personas and fusion materials. This speeds the route to Juzumaru. Make sure you have sufficient money and fusion levels. Low-level fusions won't unlock unique outcomes. Begin by checking Odin or related personas in your compendium, then farm XP or Arcana to reach the fusion level threshold before attempting the specialized fusion steps. In the Velvet Room, choose the correct fusion type, typically advanced or triple fusion depending on Reload's mechanics. You must combine personas with the precise Arcana and level alignment. If you miss one, the result differs. As you fuse, prioritize inheriting skills that complement Juzumaru's role. Pay attention to persona cost and post-fusion level. Sometimes fusing a higher-level persona than resummoning yields the target. If a recipe fails, adjust inputs and recheck your compendium entries for the exact required pairings. After creating Juzumaru, finalize by optimizing skills. Use skill cards and inheritance to shape utility or damage rolls. Save right before key fusions so you can reload if outcomes differ. This preserves resources and lets you retry. If you can't obtain Juzumaru, make sure no quests, time locks, or story flags are preventing it, and verify the compendium for version-specific recipe differences. One troubleshooting tip: reload a save and swap a single input persona to test variations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.